Ever filled your gas car with diesel by mistake? Or wondered about those octane ratings? Let's explore the differences between diesel and gasoline, why mixing them is risky, and what those octane numbers mean. Diesel and gasoline look alike but fuel very different engines. Gasoline engines use spark ignition. The spark plug ignites the mixture. Diesel engines rely on compression ignition. Heat from compressed air ignites the fuel. Diesel delivers more energy per liter and powers heavy-duty vehicles. Gasoline is cleaner and burns quicker, making it ideal for passenger cars. Mixing diesel and gasoline can damage your engine. Diesel can't ignite in a gas engine, clogging lines and requiring a costly flush. Gasoline in a diesel engine reduces lubrication, causes misfiring, and may damage injectors. Always check your vehicle's fuel cap or manual for the correct fuel type. Now let's discuss octane ratings. What do those numbers mean? 87 octane is regular, suitable for most standard vehicles. It's cost-effective and burns easily. 89 octane is mid-grade, offering more knocking resistance. Some engines run smoother with this. 91 or 93 octane is premium, ideal for high-performance engines. It prevents pre-ignition and knocking under pressure. Using the incorrect octane isn't catastrophic, but can reduce performance and fuel economy over time. Unsure which octane your car needs? Check your gas cap or owner's manual. Compact cars typically require 87. Mid-range turbo or V6 vehicles often need 89 or 91. High-performance sports cars generally require 91 plus. Using premium where regular is needed won't help. It just costs more. Remember, diesel and gasoline don't mix, nor do octane levels if you neglect your car's requirements. Understand your fuel. It'll keep your engine happy. Check before you fuel. Subscribe for more tips and tricks to keep your vehicle running smoothly.